Hi, in this brief tutorial I'm going to go through a ladder stitch, and a ladder stitch is basically the stitch you use to close up a gap when you've finished a softie. When it's completely stuffed, it's the gap that you pull the entire softie through and the gap that you stuff the softie with. It's designed to seal up this area seamlessly. Okay, so this is a sample of what it looks like, and if I pull it apart you can see the way the stitches ladder across. And I'm going to do that right now. Now for the purposes of this video, what I'm doing is I'm using black embroidery thread, just so as that it's really easy to see, and this is what I'm going to fill it in on. So if you can imagine, this is your softie, this is the gap you've been stuffing through, and what you do here now is you pop the needle in here on one end, the knot pulls all the way through, and make sure the knot is inside like so. And this stitch is designed to be invisible, so it would actually be done in the same colour thread as the fabric. Right, so what you do is you start off by working a stitch a length like this in, okay, and then directly across from that you pick up another piece of the fabric, and approximately the same distance that you travelled on the other side, you travel up. Okay, and when you pull it tight, it starts to seal it closed. Now on this side, you quickly pop over to this, the opposite section again, travel the same distance with the needle, pull it, and it starts to seal it up. And if you're doing this with exactly the same thread, it'll look quite like a line of machine stitching that you would have done throughout the entire softie. You can see here the way it's like a ladder. It's in steps going up. And I'll do another couple of stitches. So you're on this side, you go to directly the opposite side of the piece of fabric. Again, moving across, pulling, opposite side, pick up another piece of material, pull it. Right, and what you would do with that, if that is, I'll pull it out again so that you can see it. You can see it's in steps. And you finish that all the way to the end, and at the very end then you push the needle into the seam, do a back stitch in the seam, and then pull the needle back out and snip it off.